Good morning, students. So, I'm continuing with the same topic, and the name of the topic is classification of animals. Okay? Now, in my last class, what have I explained? I have explained about levels of organization. Okay. So, there are many criteria to study about the classification of animals. So, different criteria are there for classifying the animals. And one of the criteria is levels of organization. Okay? So, on the basis of levels of organization, I have already explained in my last class that there are 4 levels of organization. They are cellular level of organization, tissue level of organization, organ level of organization, and organ system level of organization. Okay, I have explained that cellular level of organization, this is the simplest level of organization. Organ system level of organization, this is the most complex system of level of organization. Okay, now moreover, I have also explained to you all about the different phyla of multicellular animals. Multicellular animals are called what? Metazoans. Okay, and the metazoans are classified into how many phyla we have studied? They are what? Porifera, Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Esculmenthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, and Chordata. So, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So, I have already told you all in my last class that you have to learn by heart all these names. Okay, the spellings are a little bit tough, but you have to learn by heart, and moreover, you have to learn serially. You have to know serially the different phyla of the metazoans or multicellular animals. Okay. Now, porifera animal, in this series, you find that porifera, it is the simplest. You'll find the simplest animals belong to porifera, and gradually the animals, they become complex, and you find that in chordata phylum the animals are the most complex. Okay, so gradually what will you find that in this series the porifera constitutes the most simplest animals, chordata constitutes the most complex animals. Okay, so the cellular level of organization, simplest level of organization, and this level of organization, this is present in the phylum Porifera. So all the poriferan animals are very simple animals having cellular level of organization. Okay, the next little bit complex will be tissue level of organization, and in this tissue level of organization, what you find, the organization will be little bit complex. Okay, so there will be what? Tissues present in the body of the animals. And this organization, it is present in Cnidaria and Ctenophora that you have studied. The third one, organ level of organization. This level of organization is more complex than tissue level of organization, and in this organization organs are formed in the body of the animal. Is it clear? So organs are formed in the body of the animal. An example of this organization is Platyhelminthes. Okay, and The last and the most complex level of organization is organ system level of organization. And in this system level of organization, different organ systems are present. Okay, so different organ systems are present. So automatically, or the organization becomes very complex, and this complex system of organization, it starts from Ascomynthus to chordata. Now what is the series, do you remember? After Ascomynthus comes what? Ascomynthus, then will be what? Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, and the last is Chordata. Okay, now cellular level of organization, you'll find what? The cells, simply they are present in groups, or these cells, they aggregate together, but no tissues will be produced here. No tissues will be there, no organs, no organ system will be there. Simply there will be aggregation of cells. The cells will be together present, and these cells, they do not coordinate with one another. They do not coordinate with one another. Okay? And it is present in what animals? Porifera animals. So remember, in cellular level of organization, no tissues are formed, no organs are formed. The next comes tissue level of organization. Here you see, so this one constitutes what? An aggregation of cells. This one, another aggregation of cells, another aggregation of cells, and each of the aggregation of cells, say this one, so all these cells, they are connected with one another. They have coordination among them. So all these cells, they have coordination, they are linked with one another. So these cells are linked with one another, these cells are linked with one another. So because these cells are linked with one another and they perform a particular function, so they form what? They form tissue. So here, so many tissues are there in the body of the animal, and each of the tissue will perform a particular function. Okay, so because in this level of organization, or in the body of the animal, many kinds of tissues are present. So for this reason, this level of organization, it is called what? Tissue level of organization. And this level of organization, it is present in case of Cnidaria animals and Ctenophora animals. So the series, now you remember the series. Porifera, the simplest, having what level of organization? Cellular level of organization. Cnidaria, Ctenophora, they have what kind of organization? They have tissue level of organization. So in these animals, tissues will be produced. In Porifera, no tissues will be produced, no organs will be produced, no organ system will be there. But in this, there will be what? Tissues produced, but no organs, no organ system. Only tissues will be produced in Cnidaria and Ctenophora. Okay, now the next one is what? The next one is the organ level of organization. And in this level of organization, now look at this diagram here. In this diagram, what you find, that this is one tissue, this is another tissue, this is the third tissue, this is the fourth tissue. So when different tissues together, they perform a particular function, so they form an organ. So there, in this organ, you'll find different tissues are there, and all these tissues, they together will perform a particular function. They perform a particular function. Okay, similarly, so they form what? All these tissues form an organ. Similarly, you'll find that, so this is another organ, this is another organ. Okay, so in organ level of organization, what will you find? That organs are present in the body of the animal. So organs are present in the body of the animal. Okay, and this level of organization, it is complex than tissue level. Here only tissues are produced, but here organs are produced in the body of the animal. Okay, and it is present in platyhelminthes animals. Okay, so remember, you may get a question that name a phylum. Name a phylum which have organ level of organization. What you are going to write? You are going to write platyhelminthes. Okay, and the fourth one is organ system level of organization, and this organ system level of organization, this is the highest level of organization. And in this highest level of organization, what you find that there will be what? There will be organ systems present. Now, how organ systems are produced? So when many organs, so all these are organs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so what? All these are organs. So when different organs together, they perform a particular function, then they form a system, and this system is called organ system. Is it clear? So all these organs together, they perform a particular function, they carry out a particular function. So they form a system, and this system is called what? Organ system. Okay, so like this, in the body of the animal, there will be many organ systems present. Say this is one organ system, this is another organ system, this is the third organ system, and so on. So this organ system level of organization, this constitutes what? The highest level of organization, the most complex level of organization, and it is seen right from Aschelminthus to Chordata. Is it clear? So Aschelminthus, then it will be what? Aschelminthus, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, and ultimately Chordata. Okay, so this levels of organization is very important, and you study nicely. So I have repeated this explanation. I have already done in my last class. I have already explained in my last class, but still I have explained because from here onwards the main topic, the main syllabus is starting. Okay, now এতিয়া মাল্টিচেলুলাৰ এনিমেলছক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? মেটাজোৱান্স বুলি কোৱা হয়। আৰু সেই মেটাজোৱান্সৰ কেইটা ফাইলাম আছে? 11টা ফাইলাম আছে। আৰু সেই 11টা ফাইলাম কি কি? পৰিফেৰা, নাইডেৰিয়া, টিনোফৰা, প্লেটিহেলমিন্থেছ, এস্কেলমিন্থেছ, এনিলিডা, আৰ্থ্ৰোপোডা, মোলাস্কা, একাইনোডাৰ্মেটা, হেমিকৰ্ডাটা এণ্ড কৰ্ডাটা। অ'কে, চ' তোমালোকে এই গোটেইকেইটা নাম মুখস্থ কৰিব লাগিব আৰু চিৰিয়েলি মুখস্থ কৰিব লাগিব। বুজি পাইছানে? চ' তোমালোকে গোটেইকেইটা নাম এইবিলাক অলপ টান যদিও তোমালোকে মুখস্থ কৰিবা, স্পেলিং ভালকৈ কাৰেক্টলি তোমালোকৰ স্পেলিংটো জানিব লাগিব, কাৰণ পৰীক্ষাত যদি আহে যদি তোমালোকৰ স্পেলিংটো ভুল হয় সেইটোত নম্বৰটো কাটি দিব। Okay, so you have to learn by heart these spellings correctly তোমালোকে study কৰিবা আৰু serially যাব লাগিব। Don't mix up, তোমালোকে mix up কৰি মুখস্থ নকৰিবা। So don't mix up and study. You have to learn by heart serially. Okay, now আমি classification of animals to start কৰিছোঁ। So classification of animals বহুত ধৰণৰ কৰিব পাৰি, আৰু ফাৰ্ষ্ট যিটো ক্ৰাইটেৰিয়া হয়, আৰু সেই ফাৰ্ষ্ট ক্ৰাইটেৰিয়াটো কি? লেভেলছ অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন। আমি লেভেলছ অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যনৰ ওপৰতে বেছ কৰি, চ' অন দ্য বেচিছ অফ লেভেলছ অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন, এই লেভেলছৰ ওপৰত, লেভেলছ মানে কি? স্তৰ, এই স্তৰৰ ওপৰতে আমি নিৰ্ভৰ কৰি আমি এনিমেলছক 4টা ভাগত ভাগ কৰিব পাৰোঁ। আৰু সেইকেইটা কি? চেলুলাৰ লেভেল অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন, টিস্যু লেভেল অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন, অৰ্গেন লেভেল অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন এণ্ড অৰ্গেন চিষ্টেম লেভেল অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন। অ'কে, এতিয়া চেলুলাৰ লেভেল, চেলুলাৰ মানে কোষ। চ' চেলুলাৰ লেভেল অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন আটাইতকৈ সৰল। অ'কে, আৰু অৰ্গেন চিষ্টেম লেভেল অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যনটো হ'ব আটাইতকৈ কমপ্লেক্স, বহুত টান হ'ব। অ'কে, কমপ্লেক্স হয়, ইয়াৰ ভিতৰতো কমপ্লেক্স হ'ব। চ' চেলুলাৰ লেভেল অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন, চেলুলাৰ মানে চেলৰ পৰা আহিছে, কোষৰ পৰা আহিছে। ওকে সো ইয়াতে কি দেখা পোৱা যে এইবিলাক এনিমেলছৰ বডিত যিটো কোঁ থাকিব এনেধৰণৰ থাকিব গ্ৰুপছত থাকিব দে উইল বি প্ৰেজেণ্ট টুগেডাৰ একেলগতে থাকিব কিন্তু সেই চেলছকেইটাৰ মাজতে কি নাথাকে কোনো কোঅৰ্ডিনেশ্যনটো নাথাকে কোনো কানেকশ্যনটো ইটোৰ লগত নাথাকে ওকে সো চিম্পলি চেলছকেইটা একেলগতে থাকিব ওকে আৰু ইয়াতে এই লেভেল অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যনৰ কোনো টিস্যু ফৰ্মেশ্যন নহয় অৰ্গেন বা অৰ্গেন চিষ্টেম ফৰ্মেশ্যনটো নহয় কাৰণ একদম সৰল হয় চেলৰ মাজতে কানেকশ্যনটো থাকিলেহে টিস্যু হ'ব বা অৰ্গেন হ'ব বা অৰ্গেন চিষ্টেম হ'ব এজ বিকজ সিহঁতৰ মাজতে কোনো কানেকশ্যনটো নাই সেইকাৰণে ইয়াতে কোনো কলা ফৰ্ম কৰিব নোৱাৰে কোনো টিস্যু ফৰ্ম কৰিব নোৱাৰে বা কোনো অংগ বা অৰ্গেন ফৰ্ম কৰিব নোৱাৰে বা অৰ্গেন চিষ্টেম ফৰ্ম কৰিব নোৱাৰে ওকে সো এই সেলুলাৰ লেভেল অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যনটো কি আটাইতকৈ সৰল আটাইতকৈ চিম্পল আৰু এই লেভেল অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন অকল পৰিফেৰা এনিমেলছত আছে ওকে এই চাৰ্টটো যে তোমালোকে পঢ়িবা তোমালোকে আল্টিমেটলি পঢ়ি মেলি বুজি পাবা যে আটাইতকৈ সৰল হৈছে পৰিফেৰা তাৰপিছত অলপখিনি কমপ্লেক্স নাইডেৰিয়া হয় তাৰপিছত আৰু অলপ বেছি টিনোফৰা প্লেটিহেলমিনথাছ আৰু বেছি টিনোফৰাতকৈ কমপ্লেক্স হয় লাইক দিছ আল্টিমেটলি ইউ উইল ফাইণ্ড ডেট কৰ্ডেটা এনিমেলছ যিটো আছে এইটো আটাইতকৈ কমপ্লেক্স এনিমেল okay so as because cellular level of organization it is a simple level atatke horal he karone a organization okol porifera ase it is present only in case of porifera okay now the next comes tissue level of organization tissue mane ki tissue mane ku so tissue ki buli koa hoy kola buli koa hoy cellular level hol ku আৰু টিস্যুটো কি টিস্যু হ'ল কলা ওকে না এই সিস্টেম লেভেল অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন কি দেখা যায় যে সেলৰ এইটো ধৰা দিছ এইবিলাক সেলৰ মাজতে কানেকশ্যন আছে সো যেহেতু কানেকশ্যন আছে এইবিলাক সেলছ গোটেইকেইটা সেলছ একেলগতে একেটা কাম কৰে so as because these cells they perform particular function সেইকাৰণে they form what they form tissue যিটো কলা বুলি কোৱা হয় so tissue level of organization কি আছে animals body tissues আছে কলা আছে আৰু প্ৰত্যেকটো কলাই কি কৰে এটো এটা কলা ইটো সেকেন্ড ইটো থাৰ্ড এন্ড সো অন বহুত কলা থাকিব বহুত ধৰণৰ কলা থাকিব আৰু প্ৰত্যেকটো কলাই বেলেগ কাম কৰিব okay so tissue level of organization it is little bit complex than cellular level of organization আৰু এটো ক'ত আছে নাইডেৰিয়া আৰু টিনোফৰাত আছে so automatically নাইডেৰিয়া টিনোফৰা পৰিফেৰা তলত আছে so নাইডেৰিয়া টিনোফৰা they are complex than porifera so এই দুটাৰ কি আছে they have what tissue level of organization কিন্তু পৰিফেৰাৰ কি আছে cellular level of organization okay now the next comes the organ level of organization and this organ level of organization it is more complex than the tissue level of organization it is more complex than tissue level of organization aru yate ki form hoy ongo produce hobo ongo mane ki organ okay etu sua a diagram to sua in this diagram you will find there are many tissues present এইটো এটা so many tissues are there আৰু এই গোটেই কিটা tissues একেলগতে লগ লাগি মিলি একটা কাম কৰিব একটা function perform কৰিব okay so as because these different tissues together they perform a particular function so they form an organ অংগ form কৰে so এই organ level of organization কি হয় animalৰ bodyৰ ভিতৰতে organ আছে animal body ভিতৰতে অংগ আছে so এইকিটা অংগ so different organs are there বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ organ আছে আৰু প্ৰত্যেকটো organ বেলেগ কাম কৰে আৰু organ level of organization ক'ত আছে কোনটোত আছে platyhelminthes so look at this chart here so porifera animal cellular level of organization Cnidaria Ctenophora animals কি আছে they have tissue level of organization porifera cellular Cnidaria Ctenophora আছে কি tissue level of organization platyhelminthes আছে কি organ level of organization okay এতিয়া চোৱা the last one is the organ system level of organization okay the organ system level of organization it is attaitke complex level of organization আৰু এই level of organization চোৱাচোন ডায়াগ্ৰামটো চালে গম পাবা এইটো চোৱা সো ইয়াতে বহুত কিটা অংগ আছে বহুত কিটা মই যেনেকা ইয়াতে 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so I have drawn here 7 organs. Okay, and all these 7 organs together they perform a particular function. They will carry out a particular function. So as because এই গুটেই কিটা অর্গান একেলগতে লগ লাগি একটা কাম করে সেই কারণে এই গুটেই কিটা অর্গান কি করে এটা সিস্টেম ফর্ম করে আর সেই সিস্টেমটোৰ নাম কি অর্গান সিস্টেম. So the system is known as what? Organ system. Okay, and so like this there are many organ systems present in the body of the animal. A animalor bhitor bahut organ systems ase. Okay, aru ei organ system constitute kore ki it is the highest level of organization, the most complex level of organization. Aru ei level of organization to Aschelminthus or pora co-data loike ase. Eta chart to soa right from Aschelminthus, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Chordata, they all have what? They all have organ system level of organization.